Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add ShopPay to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, here are some prerequisites before you start. Okay, and to be eligible for ShopPay, your store must fulfill a few basic requirements. First one, you must operate a store that is eligible for Shopify payments based on your country. The second one, you must secure your Shopify admin account by setting up two-step authentication or two-factor authentication. So once that's done, you've got two options to connect or add ShopPay to Shopify. Option A, if you use Shopify payments. If Shopify payments is already your primary credit card processor, turning on ShopPay takes less than a minute. So go ahead and go to your settings right here at the very bottom. Click on it. Now just go ahead over to payments. Now in this section, just go ahead and find Shopify payments, and there will be a big manage button. So go ahead and click on manage, right? Or edit. Now listen closely. If you have opened the manage tab, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down and find ShopPay. And just basically click on the checkbox besides ShopPay. And then after that, just click on save. And once done, you're good to go. So option B, if a Shopify payments isn't available in your country, just like what I have in here. I live in the Philippines and I don't have Shopify payments. We can go ahead and use a third-party gateway, such as Stripe or Global E or any other payment providers. Click on choose a provider right here. And again, depending on your region, you might have Stripe or even Global E. Okay, so Shopify allows merchants using external payment gateways to run ShopPay as an accelerated checkout option. So if you have connected one of these options right here, or third-party payment providers, you'll have a manage button. So when you go ahead and click on manage, again, when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you'll find ShopPay as well. So just basically click on the toggle, click on save, and once saved, click on complete setup. And after that, all you got to do is just enter your store's required business details and banking info so Shopify knows where to route your ShopPay payouts. Then once done, click on save. Now just do take note, if you use a third-party gateway, make absolutely sure your banking details are completely filled out within 21 days of receiving your very first ShopPay transaction. Because if you miss this 21-day verification window, Shopify's system will automatically refund the money back to the customer. And that is how you add ShopPay to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.